The history of our world is written in the scars of the downtrodden. For 6 long years, the soap wars raged. It was an era of cold darkness where warlords of the chemical empire held dominion over the people, controlling them through the devious use of SYNDET. These warlords twisted the very fabric of creation, mass-producing synthetic detergents that left the skin of the masses dry, chalky, cracked, and damaged. It was a calculated atrocity. The empire used SYNDET to strip the skin bare and raw, only to sell the cure in the form of synthetic moisturizers to treat the very conditions they caused. A cycle of chemical dependency that fueled their greed and broke the spirit of the people. Small bands of makers rose to challenge the empire, operating through the shadows of the digital portals known as the SYNDET. At first, they spoke of better skin and honest craft, but the darker reality soon emerged. Under banners like the Amazoners, e-bayonets, and Shopiflies, these factions were merely puppets of the warlords. They flooded the market with handmade illusions. Bars filled with artificial colors, chemical fragrances, and dubious imported oils and fats. They were not healers. They were war profiteers of suffering, painting themselves as heroes while their strings were pulled by the chemical warlords. The chemical empire fortress looms over everything while factions continue their false war below. People continue to suffer, dissolve and crumble to dust in the acid rain, leaving the world in perpetual darkness and deception. In the year 2025, the tide began to turn, subtle at first, yet felt across the land. In Oregon's Willamette Valley, the rain softened and the earth hummed with a quiet resolve. From the mist stepped a veteran, Lux, a warrior of the foreign and nanotech wars, strong hands, spirit unbroken. His scarred body mapped by trials, loved ones steady beside him, runes of starlight on his skin, whispered that the gods' favor still followed him. Master of all he surveyed, local harvests, he refused failure, marrying the farmer's wisdom to the process he developed. His weapon was true soap, born of the valley, local ingredients, or gun-grown, formulated with care. No chemicals, no false colors, no fake fragrances. Markets wavered, factions faltered. The SYNDET and the Shopiflies dimmed as people woke, reading labels in the light of truth. From his valley forge, Lux lifted the people, hands healed, faces bright. The warlords still lurk in shadow, but now a champion stands, a protector. Hope, soap organically arged in battle, pure by decree.